So my boyfriend and I have been looking at apartments for quite some time now, and we finally signed the lease on one we really love. For the next month or so, we'll be planning, shopping, getting ready, and eventually moving into our own place. Here's the journey of our first apartment together.
Downtown, we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in a hazy glow. My hands, the bones. Loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3.
Hey y'all, what is up? It is Marissa, Nicole, and welcome back to my channel. I just want to intro this video because I never really formally introduced myself, because just in case there's new people watching, hello, I'm Marissa, and I'm currently moving into a brand new apartment. Well, I guess currently as in what you guys are watching. I'm actually in my new apartment right now, but I forgot to intro the video. Duh. So today's video is basically moving my boyfriend out of his apartment. We were previously living in 2 separate places, and now we moved in together. So this video is all about moving him out of his apartment, and then the next video on my channel will be moving me out of my apartment, and then from there on, we're doing empty apartment tours, move-in vlogs, organizing, like all of the things that happen with a new apartment. So I decided to sit here to intro so you don't get any real sneak peeks of what's going on in the new apartment, even though I've kind of teased some over on my Instagram. If you're not following me, you definitely should. But also you can subscribe down below and keep up to date with those videos. They're just a little bit late in real time because since we've moved in, we haven't had Wi-Fi. It's been a week now in our new place, and we just got Wi-Fi actually today that I'm introing this and posting this video. So the vlogs are a little late getting up, so thank you for being patient with me. But I just wanted to pop in and say hello, welcome to the vlog, before I just dive right into Griffin's apartment. I know you guys have been so excited for these move-in vlogs, and I'm so excited to actually finally be in here, but there's still so much for us to do. We haven't unpacked really anything yet, so there's lots of new vlogs coming, of course, but I hope you guys enjoy this one. Packing up Griffin's room has started. We already have like a trash bag of clothes because all of his clothes needs to be cleaned anyways. We're packing up in suitcases. Griffin went downstairs to go get bins. We're making piles. We're throwing away. Moving has started, and it's already hot. He lives on like the 3rd floor of his frat house, and it's so hot up here. The first thing that we're really going through is this desk area and just like throwing so much away. Griffin already was taking down a whole trash bag that we already filled up. What I was thinking is your personal stuff, so that way it's easier for us to organize afterwards too.
Please allow me to introduce myself. Made too big of a mark, you can't erase me now. Nah, nah, nah. Every time I'm on stage, plenty people acting friendly now. But where were you back when
guys, look! This was the thing I gave Griffin for our first Valentine's Day together, and it's 52 Reasons Why I Love You. It's very dusty, but you're keeping this.
Where were you back when I was just a part of the crowd? You try to be a part of something that you never had faith in. Used to hate me, now you act as though you're fucking Eddie and I'm Hamish. Brockhampton, brooming from the speaker. Me and my girl, we just kicking it like FIFA. And she's a wonder of a woman, but you don't ever came. It's like,
Please do not spray me!
Nope.
You got it in my hair! Why are we like this? The aftermath of an unnecessary, silly string fight thanks to Griffin. We now have to clean all of this stuff.
That was a 2-sided battle, I'm just saying.
You started it! Oh my god. Did you mean to step there?
I meant to step there. I didn't think it was going to collapse under me. The other side did. But I'm thinking we just
tear it
this thing apart. Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's so easy to break. I love it. Dude, I love moving.
Silly string fights and demolition.
Your girlfriend puts everything away, and then you just sit here and kind of like, no, I want to keep that. And then
literally.
when it comes time, get to do it again.
I know, you have to do it to the TV stand and that side table. Okay, well, let's take the desk out first. Desk is gone. Now onto TV stand. So we're gonna move the TV, everything that's in there. Griffin gets to break that down, have a good time.
it's like I've slipped into a dream when I'm really awake. She give me riches, but I never have to pay. Excitement like I'm on a first date. And every time I'm winning or I'm losing doesn't matter, cause I know no matter what, they should be loving me the same now.
I'm hot, but we got it out. I think we should just put the TV basically like back against the wall so it's like out of our way. We got that. Then we have the bed area. Get all the clothes out of here. We're almost there. Oh my god. While we're out here, we're also gonna grab a bin or two from the car so we can pack up the bed, because that'll be the next thing that we need to take out and throw out. You're gonna pack your PlayStation first?
Get a layer of soft.
Cause $20 wine is in my cup. Excuse me while I kiss the sky, we lighting up. It's got me way too I don't know where's up, don't know where's up, don't know where's up. What's that or what's that? what's right for me to get to where I wanna be. Continue to write my own story. I've been putting on what is mandatory and what's not. Write another song so it's sharper than it ever was. Check it. Snare slap you like a back.
The bed is packed, suitcase packed, 2 bins packed. We have 1 empty. I think this is empty, right? Yeah. Oh, what is that? There's your other Polaroid shirt. You were looking for that since like last year. You thought I stole it. He used to get so mad at me because he's like, you stole my other Polaroid shirt. I was like, I literally didn't. If I did, you would have known by now because I would be wearing it. And it's been in this suitcase all along. It's literally been in there for like a year and a half. But yeah, last spring break, 2019 spring break.
From the guitar with style and grace. Oh, then we got a heat up, but this is just a taste of one of many flavors available when you mess around with J or Ian on a label that you can put up all week. GMECB, be the team. 88 the place to have the green. We got a lot of people to make proud. They love it when we get down and make sounds. I love them right back, seeing all the smiles and me spat facts at the hometown function. Place was jumping, got me feeling the love and maybe a buzz. Cause $20 wine is in my cup. Excuse me while I get.
We did it, guys. It's empty. Except for this stuff. We're gonna leave the bike, the chair, and the TV here until we actually move next week. But other than that, we're clean, baby. And it's
so hot.
100 degrees because we turned off the fans. Let's go. We're packed, we're loaded, and ready to get some food and water and AC. Goodbye, Empire. Okay, just when we are done, we're not done because we're gonna run to Lowe's to get some boxes because basically we bagged up all of Griffin's clothes because they're all just like been chilling and they all need to be cleaned and yeah, whatever. So
they've been sitting for the last 3 months.
Yeah, and so we're gonna wash them all at my place over the week before we move in, and that we kind of want to make sure that when they're washed, they're not going back into trash bags to get like dirty or wrinkled or whatever. So we're grabbing boxes so that way when we wash his stuff, we can fold it, put it in boxes, and then any extra boxes, obviously, I can use to pack up my things. We're gonna stop at Griffin's parents' house tomorrow after work to pick up, you said they have bins. So they have bins that I can use to pack up more stuff because I let Griffin use my 3 bins for his stuff, so we're not done yet. I say we do like 8. Griffin went to go look for a tape gun. We didn't want to drag the boxes around, so I told him I would wait here while he does it. Then I'm just sitting on the ground looking at ladder shelves on Amazon because they have one right here. It's like $130 and it's brown and I want a white one for the room, so now I'm seeing what Amazon has.
Customer service for your return.
Griffin and I made pizza. I'm sorry it's so dark. Don't have any lights on. We're gonna watch Big Mouth and relax because we need it. This is a very disgusting raw look at, you know, what we look like at the end of today. But I just wanted to close today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. We finished Big Mouth season 3, so now we're all caught up and he says I need to start watching BoJack Horseman. So let me know down below if you guys have seen that before. I've never watched it. But I'm about to take a shower because I need it. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more moving vlogs. And also don't forget to follow me over on Instagram for more content over there. I love you guys so much, more than you'll ever know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
And won't you start the music, get into it, won't you dance with me? Find the place and lose it, you can do it.